welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat. So today I have a new video for you guys that I'm super excited to share with you guys. I went out and I grabbed the NARS Orgasm collection that just came out, and I am literally obsessed with the entire thing. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the blush. This is the Orgasm blush. If you are familiar with NARS, I'm sure at one point in time you may have either purchased this blush or had like a teeny tiny size. Now it's in a huge full size, which is nice. As usual with the mirror and everything, but you know, it's just a bigger size, essentially. That's all that it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this as my blush today. For me, this is not really anything new that I'm trying. This has always been a blush that I kind of turn to. This is a very subtle blush. It's not anything that's gonna be too crazy on the face, and like I said, super universal. Now, the next thing that I am super excited about trying is the Orgasm. This is called the Illuminating Loose Powder. Just as you saw on the swatches earlier, this thing is incredibly pigmented and it's so beautiful. It's like this rose gold kind of color, and I don't know, I just feel like there isn't anything really like it that I have gotten ever. So I'm excited to try it. I'm probably not going to use it all over today, but I'm gonna try it out. Woo! Jeez Louise! Are you guys seeing this? No freaking way. This color is beautiful. Like, look at my face. Like, this side looks so flat, and this side, like, just adding that highlight, oh, it just lifted everything right on up. Ooh, NARS, yes, baby. You guys, thank you so much. Like, that's literally all I can say. Thank you so much, NARS. Because, like, this, ooh, all summer. Your girl about to be looking like a donut. Like a strawberry donut. At that. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I don't know, I'm going to get carried away with this thing. I know. I guess with whatever's left over, I'm just going to pop over my Cupid's bow here, and I'm just going to pop this on here. Just because I don't need it really too highlighty-y. Highlighty-y. Is that a word? No, highlighted there. I'm like debating, do I want to bring this down my nose or do I not? I'm scared because what if, like, all right, I'm going to try it out. Wish me luck. Okay. I'm going in super, super subtle with it because, oops, maybe not. Maybe not super subtle. Like, not flicking you guys off. Like, can I get an amen from the congregation? Can I? This, oh my God, guys, I'm like tripping buckets here. This is some beautiful stuff, for real. Like, this highlight just like wins for me on so many, like, on so many levels. Wins for me on so many levels. It's so beautiful. Like, So what I'm going to do for eyes is I'm going to pick up the nude stick in the color in the nude and a little just flat brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of that and pop it onto my lid first. Just all over my lid for an all over kind of color. I love these little nudie sticks. These are some of my favorite things. And then what I'm going to do, because I just am obsessed with this highlighter and I feel like it's absolutely beautiful. With that same brush, I'm going to just pick up a little bit of that highlighter and I'm just going to pop it right into the center of my lid. I am then going to pick up my Here to Slay from Velour. You guys know I love these lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those just because they're like the perfect natural-ishy kind of looking lash, to me at least. To some, they might be like a little overkill, but to me, they fire. All right, so our lashes are on. Let's move on to the last and final product of the collection. It is the Orgasm Lip Balm. It is a beautiful rosy pink color as well, and I can't wait to try it out to complete this look. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on right now. Super creamy. And it's such a nice color to it. It's just very nude. I can see this being great going over top of a lipstick if need be. But yeah, I love it. So I mean, there's nothing really that I could say bad about any of the stuff in this collection. It was literally all absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm definitely that highlighter, gonna be using it regularly. That's gonna be, you know, my new go-to highlighter for the summer. The blush for me was just meh. I mean, it's not anything like crazy new or anything like that. Like, I mean, it's whatever. The lip balm, I was gonna say lipstick, but it's not a lipstick, it's a lip balm. The lip balm is beautiful. My lips feel super hydrated. They look nice and glossy, and they still, like, you know, have a nice little pigment to them as well. And I think it just really completed my look. So if you are planning on picking up these NARS products, hopefully this video was helpful to you, so you can go ahead and make a purchase based on what you saw, and hopefully there's either 1, 2, or even 3 things that you might want to go and pick up at Sephora. So hopefully the video was helpful to you. And if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, as well as give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.